This is problem 8-22 from section 8.1.1. Day 2's homework. Graph the inequality x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 25, and then describe its graph in words. So let's get a little graph going here. Now, oh boy, we should know that this is going to be some sort of shape. We have the x squared and the y squared going on. So that's going to tell me that it's a circle. Okay? We're going to go with that graph right now. Typically, the equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals the radius squared. Okay? In this case, my h and k are both 0. So that means the center of the circle is at 0, 0. Okay, so we have this here. Even though the symbol is not an equal sign, we're going to treat it like a circle. Okay? So my radius squared equals 25. So my radius is going to be 5 all the way around. So negative 5, positive 5, positive 5, negative 5. And then the next thing we need to deal with is the inequality symbol. Now, if you remember back from algebra 1, the symbol less than or equal to, the equal to part means I'm going to have either a solid or a dashed line like this. Okay? So the equal to part means I can include everything in my circle. So I'm going to have a regular line to connect those points. Okay? So here's another thing that we need to do now is the symbol, the less than part of it. Okay, so what you may have learned in Algebra 1 is to plug in a value. So let's plug in 0, 0 for x and for y. So that would be 0 squared plus 0 squared. Is that less than or equal to 25? And if the statement is true, that's where we shade. So 0 less than or equal to 25, yes, that's true. So I'm going to shade where 0, 0 is, which would be inside the circle. Everything to the inside of the circle. Okay, all this will be shaded in. Okay. And an important thing is when you're doing inequalities, you need to pick a point that is not on the line or the thing that you're graphing. So if I picked the point 0, 5, that would not be helpful. Okay, if you did plug that in, you got a true statement. Well, do you shade inside or outside the circle? Well, the point was on the circle, so that doesn't really help you. Okay, so treat this like a circle. Whenever you see an x squared and a y squared, like on the same side or in the same equation, most likely that's going to be a circle. And we have the center at 0, 0. Its radius is 5, and we shade because it's an inequality.